item of evidence in light of the entire body of evidence.
The International Criminal Court based at The Hague in the Netherlands has completed hearing of the case in Kenyan lawyer Paul Gicheru's witness interference trial in the 2007-2008 post-election violence.
The conspiracy must also have involved various intermediaries whose attempts to corruptly influence the witnesses were captured verbatim in the OPC recordings.
Gicheru is accused of corruptly influencing witnesses in the cases against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap, cases which were terminated in April 2016 for lack of evidence.
The intermediaries must have knowingly agreed to being recorded offering bribes to witnesses, actions which would clearly be illegal in Kenya as they are before this court. Why then would they agree to cooperate? What was in it for them? In the case of Yabay, Bet and Barasa, only an arrest warrant.
Making the final remarks, the prosecution told the court to find Gicheru guilty of blocking administration of justice to victims of post-poll chaos in Kenya. The prosecution alleged the witnesses were bribed, intimidated, and others killed, citing the abduction and death of Meshach Yabay in 2014.
The defense complains of improper coaching by the prosecution. But witness preparation was conducted strictly according to the relevant protocols. Should the defense have had grounds to doubt this, then they should have followed the remedies provided in the protocol at the relevant time.
Before Judge Miata Maria Samba of ICC Trial Chamber 3, Gicheru's defense team submitted that Gicheru must be acquitted since the prosecution had failed to table tangible evidence against him.
The lies keep coming, the inconsistencies, the contradictions. And all of a sudden, another one comes. And the same thing goes on for about 6 to 8 witnesses.
Gicheru, through his lawyers, maintained that the prosecution witnesses are outright liars involved in a conspiracy to frame him.
They either misapprehend how evidence should be assessed, or they simply attempt to mislead. Either way, they're wrong.
The Hague-based court is now expected to write and deliver its judgment in an unspecified time to determine if Kenyan lawyer Paul Gicheru has a case to answer or not.
All rise for your level.
Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.